Gum disease is generally the result of poor oral hygiene that allows bacteria in plaque to remain on the teeth and infected gums. If left untreated, it will move from the gums into the bone and develop the condition known as periodontitis. And periodontitis could result in tissue and bone loss that leads to teeth falling out. This is why it is always best to treat receding gums at an early stage when it occurs. Home remedies are inexpensive and very much effective way to treat gingivitis. In this video, we will share 4 best home remedies to reverse receding gums naturally in 1 week. Don't forget to subscribe and stay with us. Cloves. Cloves have powerful antiviral and antioxidant properties, and have known to help ease the oral pain, reduction of plaque and inflammation. Moisten 1 teaspoon of clove powder and dip a cotton ball into it. Rub the cotton ball gently onto your gums, and allow sitting on your gums for about 1 minute. Then swish some water in your mouth and spit out. Repeat once daily. Lemongrass Oil Mouthwash. In a 2015 study, lemongrass oil was found to be more effective than traditional chlorhexidine mouthwash at reducing plaque and gingivitis levels. To use this remedy, dilute 2 to 3 drops of lemongrass essential oil in a cup of water. Swish the solution in your mouth for up to 30 seconds, and spit out. Repeat twice per day. Sage mouthwash. Sage mouthwash can significantly lower the number of mouth bacteria without experiencing any irritation. Sage has powerful antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties that help to heal swollen gums and treat the infection. Just boil 2 cups of water, and add 2 tablespoons of fresh sage or 1 teaspoon of dried sage to the water. Let it simmer 5 minutes. Then strain and let the water cool. Use the solution to rinse your mouth 2 to 3 times per day. Cranberry juice. Cranberry juice is considered one of the best home remedies for gum disease. It is loaded with vitamin C. Drinking pure cranberry juice several times a week can help keep inflammation down and suppress bad bacteria. And, when you take the first few sips of cranberry juice, hold it in your mouth for about a minute, swishing it around. Spit this juice out and drink the rest normally. If you like this video, give a thumbs up and share it for your healthy lifestyle collection. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.